Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Magic USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first main Bullion plan video for this stock and what I shared basically a year ago or even more. And all targets still relevant, and I explain it why this token has potential cause almost all tokens in circulation supply. One take, it's around 87-89% of maximum supply in circulation supply. One take. Next one, the maximum supply and total supply, pretty low one. So there is no billions or so. So it's like 347, let's say 48 million tokens. Now the price is 14 cents, and the market capitalization 43 million, FDV 50. So when we got market cap and FDV equal, it's a good one. I recommend you double check the fundraising rounds, guys. This one in 2021, these investors, the big guys invested, and I'm more than sure they're already out in profit, and after the 4 years, they can start accumulating back. So at the highest point of the market capitalization, this token was here. It's here. Compare, by the way, the unlocks and the price. So the this one, it was a price here, and here's the capitalization. After that, unlocks, the price $2, but the capitalization around half billion, right? So that's the difference. Now everything looks like equal, so it's basically good for the token. If we talk about global targets, and if this token will still exist on exchanges, because the main key point, the token should be still exist on centralized exchanges like Binance or others for liquidity. So believe it or not, but sooner or later we got this high. Let's say this high. So this is liquidity pools, and we need to break the structure because basically since February 2022, we are in the downtrend, but locally, this is a 1, 2, 3K points. To start build the uptrend structure, we finally need to do something like this one, 81 cents, for example, with retest or without, drop to 42, and start build the uptrend structure. How to work with the structure, I'll recommend you go and check the educational video. It's hard to say, guys, where we should stop, because basically we already dump it on the listing price. On a listing price, like ticker global chart. And we can't know. It was a bottom, or we can see something like this one. At this current moment, we can't know. Nobody knows. That's why we work with the possibilities. So I would like to share with you also the indicator set. So maybe we'll find some data, interesting data. So technically we got this range. Now it's a range between 72.53 and 6 cents 42. So in this range we can trade. How and when we're gonna stop? It can be like 39 cents, 31. But to build the uptrend structure, final main one uptrend structure, we need to sweep the high of 72 cents. So this is a trouble area, guys. If we zoom out and find out the monthly gap, so this is a 31 cents, it would be good to test this week. Next week, it's hard to say. You saw the example on the Voxel, how the token performed like over than 300% just in a few days, right? So now if BTC dominance will start finally go down and will not go higher than 45%, yes, the money can start inflow into alts, and will be fun if usually people wait the selling may go away, but this time everything will be different, and the summer will be the range for the BTC, but with the BTC dominance down, the alts can perform. So it's everything can be changed, right? Because people will live with just narratives, with some myth, so sell in May, go away. Maybe this time is going to be the buy in May and sell in the autumn, right? We can't know. So this is a trouble area. Next step and the next step. Hard to say, are we hit the new all-time high or not? Because guys, this cycle can be so conservative one. And technically it can be the picture like this one. Already I showed you examples for the next cycles. Last one here, it was in the gains 3,300% gains. If we count from this low here, it's going to be the actual, even more. So that's the point of the starting point. So previous cycle, right? Everybody celebrated because it was a listing price like 18 cents and we hit around $6.50. This time we stop it at 6 cents, 42, and the target like $2.40 will be actual and even more in gains in percentage. So that's the deal, guys. Don't be trapped with just candles, right? Build the logic. Build it all the time. Build the logic. Let's check, guys, with indicator set. ADZ I can't show you because it's a crypto ticker, not from exchange. Direction in the monthly laid down at the bottom, so it's good time for accumulation. Weekly time frame, we're in accumulation. Last time when we saw the accumulation, it was here. So approximately last time we pumped it like 160. Now we pump it already over than 160, I guess. So it can be the good, yes, 137. A little bit more, so almost. So we can test 1879. I like a rejection at the lowest point, listing one. So take a look with the market mood money power. Definitely this is capitulation. Now it's a disbelief, hold this in period. So usually it's good time to buy when we lay down in the capitulation zone. So here was last time October 22 capitulation pump from 22 cents to $2.34. Now the same story. And we can pump, for example, to $1.64. When, guys, nobody knows. We can trade a year, but keep in mind the levels. Keep in mind the K levels, and don't build a so complicated charts. Build a simple strategy, guys. What to do with each token. Money inflow was in March, so it's a good one. We're far from the top, so this is definitely on the weekly time frame. It's not time to out of the token. If we talk about a spot, a trade on, sell, buy back, buy back, buy back, buy back, buy back. No signal to buy, but everything looks logical, like entry. Of course, up to your own risk, because 130% it's a big deal. But if we talk about a spot, it's okay. Here, this is what I talk about. We have to pump to 81 cents 71 on the weekly time frame to build the to break the structure. To break the structure, and it can be this move. Bam, retest and go higher to this area. Maybe retest again and go to this one. So it's hard to say, are we stop it here or here? But it will be not a mistake to fix a profit step by step. 1, correction. 2, 3. 3 limit orders to sell. If you believe, of course, in new all-time high, you can wait the main targets. So guys, all targets I explained to you, we trade way under fundamental value. Fundamental value of this token on a weekly is at 30 cents. 12-hour time frame. Here, we rejected the buy line. So everything is just a fractal, you know, and what we can see on a 12-hour time frame will be repeated itself on a weekly time frame. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, because I already showed in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.